In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to record audio on your iPhone. So first, go onto your iPhone, swipe down, and then type in Voice Memos. Click Voice Memos. Then you will just click this red icon. So I'm just going to start a voice memo and then record it back. Hello, hello, hello. As you can see right now as I'm talking, it is monitoring my voice notes and it is creating a new recording. Boom. Now I have a new recording on here and I can play it back. Hello. So you guys can't hear it since my phone doesn't record the audio, but I will play it on my computer. Oh, hello, hello. As you can see right now, so there we go. You can also delete it by clicking this. And if you want to create another one, just click the red icon again. So there we go. You can also replace it and replace specific parts of your audio. You can resume the audio or you can just save it as a new recording. Then when you click done, you can save it as a recording or save a new recording. There we go. So now we have two of these. You can also duplicate it and favorite all of these audios. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.